The man who freed Panama from American control was killed 3 years after his greatest victory. It's 1977, Panama City, Panama. A military general has spent years fighting to reclaim the canal that splits his country in half. For 74 years, America controls the Panama Canal Zone like a colony. American families live in luxury while Panamanians work for pennies. He watches foreign ships pay tolls to Washington instead of Panama City. He demands the waterway back, threatening to take it by force if necessary. The White House calls him a communist threat, but he refuses to back down. For months, he negotiates directly with President Carter, becoming a hero across Latin America. But the CIA watches every move. They see a dangerous example for other countries with American bases. On July 31st, 1981, his plane takes off in clear weather. 20 minutes later, it crashes into a mountain with no distress call. The wreckage burns so hot that investigators find almost nothing. No mechanical failure is ever proven. The general who stood up to America was Omar Torrijos.